Coil winding is a process where you make a transformer. Transformers are used to power the whole country, including places like this facility right here. During the coil winding process, you're going to learn a lot of information such as quality, the materials, the engineering documents, how to TIG weld, and how to braze. We are going to teach you how to make an entire transformer, which is going to help you get a very good job. WCTC and Eaton developed a 120-hour boot camp where we teach our machine tool operations students to learn to wind transformers.
Coil winding used to be the biggest bottleneck for ramping up volume in our three-phase transformer product line and also in the voltage regulator product line. So we partnered with WCTC. We came to WCTC with, hey, here is a problem. How can we partner together to help us get more candidates in, also refine our training process so when the folks come in, they're ready to go for our sites. We moved one of our Cox winding machine down there to use that as a training tool to train our folks in. So last 2 years or so, every year we try to have like about 2 to 3 boot camps, and we hire about a half a dozen to a dozen employees. They go through the boot camp, 2-3 weeks of training, and they come in, and then once they successfully complete the training program, they will become the coil winders in our operation. So they will go through the second phase of their training, which is the hands-on training with the experts in the building before they can run their own coil winding machines. So it has completely transformed our process. As I mentioned, it went from being the bottleneck within our whole assembly line to right now it's been, they're ahead of most of the other areas within our transformers and the voltage regulator product line.
If you want to know more about this coil winding program, contact WCTC today.